Welcome. In front of me is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through factory mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. So I'm gonna do that right now, power key, volume down. And once you see the logo of the device, you can let go. Yeah, so from here you will use volume down to navigate down, and power key will be used to confirm. And you want to select clear eMMC, like this, and then confirm it with power key. You'll see formatting data, give it a moment, and the device will turn off and power back on, and once it's back on, we should then let the device fully reset it. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and there is no setup, so you can just unlock it and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.